time to take the mast off the boat.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write you this song? 2 hours a day.
I'm feeling a bit nervous. Nick seems relatively sanguine, which is reassuring. That was fun and stressful, and we're on the Canal du Midi.
Spectacular.
It's absolutely amazing. I'm just in awe right now.
This place is stunning.
Jesus, that was unlike anything else I've ever done in my life.
Why do you still hurt?
I don't think many sailboats get to sail through a vineyard. Today we are doing quite a few double and even triple locks.
This is one of the best things we have ever done.
It is a grey and damp day on the Canal du Midi. Would you like to say something, Nick? Because you seem to be feeling left out.
I'm cold. I am cold. I am hot. It is hot.
We've established that it's 39 degrees in the shade. It is apparently 49 degrees in the sun.
Here we are in the centre of Toulouse, which is a bit mental, isn't it?
Yeah, it is absolutely mental. How'd you like that?
That was pretty intense.
It's cool, wasn't it?
It's one of those things I don't think we'll do often in a boat.
No.